Hello friends, welcome back with another video. So in today's video we will discuss best way to say I love you. Like you can say in different ways I love you. So let's start a video. So and first, I want a lifetime with you. I want a lifetime with you. Okay, number second. You are the light of my life. You are the light of my life. Okay, number third one. I'm crazy about you. I'm crazy about you. Okay, number four. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for you. Okay, number five. You are mine and only. You are mine and only. Okay, number six. You are the best. You are the best. So these all are the ways to say I love you. Like these all are look like advanced. So it's better for you if you use these all sentences instead of I love you. So go ahead. You are charming. You are charming. Okay. Next. I dream of you. I dream of you. I dream of you. Next one. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Okay, next one. I adore you so much. I adore you so much. Okay, next. You give me wings to fly. This one is better. You give me wings to fly. Okay, next. I need you by my side. I need you by my side. Okay, next one. I can't live without you. I can't live without you. Okay, next one. You are precious. You are precious. Okay, next. You complete me. You complete me. Okay, next one. You are the love of my life. You are the love of my life. You are the love of my life. Okay, next one. You are my world. You are my world. Okay, next one. I'm yours. I'm yours. I am yours. Okay, next one. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. Okay, next one. You're everything to me. You're everything to me. Okay, next one again, same. It's I think mistake. You're everything to me. You're everything to me. Okay, next one. You're the light of my life. You're the light of my life. You're the light of my life. Okay, next one. You inspire me. You inspire me. You inspire me. So these all are the ways to say I love you, but these all are different and these all are advanced. So if you say these all, so it's better than I love you, because I love you anyone use, so it's simple. So if you want to use some advanced, so for that these all are sentences, these all are beautiful sentences. Instead of I love you, you can easily use, and the meaning are same. They all are very good meaning. So if you use these, so you will never face any problem, because the meaning of these all are very precious, very exciting, very beautiful. So my opinion, you use these all sentences instead of I love you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe. Thanks.